calling all plumbers or anybody doing any hot works in somebody's home. Today we're going to replicate a typical example of somebody doing some soldering and the material nearby catching fire. Now, you might already have something like that, a dry powder fire extinguisher. However, did you know that government advises you should not be using those in a confined space, like inside a room? We've got a perfect solution. The fire safety stick. It really is that simple and safe to use as well. And you see, there's no mess at all.
You can become a distributor today or learn more about the fire safety stick by visiting the link tree in our profile.